Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a £3 or $4 an autopilot every single time. You need to promote an offer, people come and click and sign up. They don't have to buy anything, they sign up and you will still get money from it. In autopilot, and you're going to make that money from the trustable website and $1 trillion business, guys. That company gonna pay you a £3 or $4, something like that, for every sign up. So I'm gonna show you the way you can get the offers and how you can promote the offers for free. You don't have to pay for anything, guys. Before that, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon so you will get notified. And if you really like the video, like my video so YouTube can promote and more people can learn from it. So the offer I'm going to talk about is Amazon affiliate, but we are not promoting any other affiliate products. We are going to promote a Prime Video. So in this Prime Video offer, going to pay you £3 or $4 or more per sign up for 30 days free trial. So they don't have to buy it or anything, so just sign up for 30-day free trial and then they can cancel anytime they want, but you're going to get a £3 or $4 every single time, guys. So in this time, this is the difficult time. People are staying at the home, they want to watch movies and something like that, so you're going to promote that. So I'm going to show you the website that you can promote those movies list and movie ideas, and you're going to put this affiliate link on there and you're going to make money from, guys. The website I'm going to do is going to getting over 700 million views every single month. The website is Pinterest getting over 750 million organic traffic every single month. So you can promote your offers and you can make money from. For this, my one-off account, I am generating over 26,000 views every organic traffic every single month. I didn't promote anything, I didn't buy anything, just uploading pin, the movie ideas, something. I'm going to talk about everything now, guys. By doing that, I am getting over 26,000 organic traffic. So if you go to Pinterest and type movies, these pins are there. These are the pins. So if you click these pins, it will take to their website. So if this list, if they take to their website and they can learn more from it. This is how the blog posts are getting more traffic from Pinterest. But we are not going to send it for our blog post. We're going to send it directly to the Amazon offers. But on top of that, Pinterest allow Amazon any other affiliate link, you can put it in the pin, so you don't have to worry about that. So first you need to create a pin. You can get the idea from here, so you can go with copy and paste the same idea, or you can create new. So because this is the difficult time and this people are worrying about virus and something like that, so I went to Google and type best apocalypse or virus movie, and this website it talk about 21 movies. I can question 21 movies, pandemic movies, right? So from the 21 I picked 10 movies. I go to Canva and create the list. So if you go to Canva and type a Pinterest, if the Pinterest pin is open up, and you can type top 10 widest movie of all time. This is the title and these are the top 11. So I'm gonna go with the top 11 actually. Top 11 widest movie of all time. These are the movie I put. Now I'm not going to put a link for each movie. I'm going to put a link for Amazon Prime account so people can sign up and they can watch these movies. But on top of for the sign up, I'm going to make £3 on autopilot. So this pin is ready. Now we go ahead and download that. So download JPEG full quality, and it will turn up. We go to the Pinterest and we're gonna go to this plus sign and add a new pin. So we're gonna go to create pin. It will take to this page where you gonna upload that pin. This is the pin, and you're gonna put the title of the pin. These are the important things that you need to do while when you building a Pinterest. Pins are very important, so you need to put the title and you need to put the description also. Basic description is fine, so you can put the title there and then you can type some description. So the are the best movies you can watch with family. Now once the basic description right, I recommend to add a hashtag which a Pinterest enable to find your pin easily. You can add more than 20. I recommend add 20, but for this I'm gonna go with 11 hashtags. If you're using your mobile phone, it's easy to add your hashtag, because when you put the hashtag it will bring all the relevant topic related to that. Now you go back to the Amazon and get your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. You can shorten it, but I don't want to short that. Put it here, and you need to put your tracking ID on the link. Copy that and put it here. Now it's done, and you need to select a board, which is the you're gonna put add relevant pin. I don't have a movie board, so I'm gonna create a board. It's called best movies of the all time, something like that, and done. Now you can click and publish. This pin is alive now, so you can go and promote those pin. You can spend it as $1 per day to promote that over for 300 million people. So you can do that, or you can, what you can do, add different pin from other boards, other creators. Then you can create a couple of them. You're going to take less than 10 minutes to create 10 pins and put your affiliate link, and remember to add a title, description, and a hashtag. When the people start to view these pins, and they can click the link and get sign up for the free program, and you can make money from it. The reason how you can pick a best topic is you can go to analytic and click audience inside. You need to have a business account. It's free to create in Pinterest. So here, this is my analytic. If you click all Pinterest user, you can see here these are the category. The entertainment are the #1 people are searching nowadays at present, and on top of that, the movies are 74% of people are searching it. Movie by genre, humor, celebrities, movies. So you can promote relevant pins related to that movies and promote affiliate offers, and you can make money from it. This is one way. Or you can promote any other affiliate offers related to the movie or DIY craft. Go to click back and find a DIY craft program and promote there, and you can still make money from guys. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.